Welcome to this quick tutorial to get started with the GPT starter code. Once you've downloaded the file, extract the zip folder to find our quick guide and the project. You can access the guide with just one click, and it contains all the project information, including components, hooks, context, and more. Remember, the guide has all the essential information about the project. Open the project in your favorite code editor, open the terminal, and run the command npm install to install all the dependencies. Once installed, go to the root folder of your project and create a new .env file. Here you should use this variable with your OpenAI access key. Always remember to protect your keys. Then, run your project with npm run dev, and that's it. You can now start using or modifying your own ChatGPT.